Welcome back. So we're going to make a list of customers now that we can actually show inside this list all customers menu item. So when we click that one, press enter, it should list all the customers. We're just going to make static or fake customers right now. That's just a hard-coded list of customers. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to create a static list up here. Again, we need to make it static. That's actually only because right now we're working inside the same file or the same class as our main static method down here, and we're going to use it in there. So we have to make this static. As long as we want to keep using it inside the main function and that's static, then we also have to make everything static. We're going to call it customers, and we're going to make a new list of customers right here, parentheses.end, and gives you a red squiggly line because you haven't imported this. Click the guy and select the beautiful lamp here and say you need to import collection generic right here. To actually do this. Let me just try that again. You have to import collection generic. So I'll do that, and you'll see in the top here now, it's actually imported generic collection generics up here, and now it knows the list. Okay, so now we have a list of customers. Now let's just add the first customer, a couple of customers to this list in this lesson, and the next lesson we'll actually continue building the code. So we want to add this customer to this list, and the way you'll do that is pretty much just by saying, you guessed it, add and then cust1, so now I have a customer added. The reason that this is possible right here is of course because I explained to the generic list that it's going to contain customers. If I told the list that this one was going to contain int values, then of course I couldn't have added a customer. So the generic list knows that it's going to contain customers because I put it inside this guy right here. So now we added the first customer. Let me show you another way to add a customer so we have a second customer available as well. So customer 2, I'm just going to grab the new keyword right away and put it directly inside the add function here. And let's call him Lars Bilde Osterstraße. That's half Danish, half German or something like that. And that's not where I live, so don't start sending me fan mail. So this is another way of adding a customer where I do not initialize him first. So notice here I initialize the customer and then I add him. Here I initialize the customer directly while I add him. So now we have a list of customers available. We've added a couple of customers. Let's try and make this more usable in the next couple of programs to actually start using this new customer list. See you next time.